Hi and welcome to Debt Tale. This is Rebecca Bautista and we're going to be covering another budget allocation, which is the 7-20-10 method. So let's get started. So similar to the previous video, right there on the 50-30-20 budget, we're going to be talking about the 70-20-10. So again, it is a budgeting method which breaks down your spending categories into 3 buckets. You have one that is 70%, one that is 20%, and one that is 10%. Now, the reason why this one is a different flavor of the 50-30-20 is because this budgeting formula is more associated for those with higher cost of living areas, thinking like California, New York, and other states where, trying to get a studio is like super expensive. The biggest chunk of change, so that 70% bucket, is for your expenses. So your expenses includes your living costs, that includes food, housing, as well as other expenses, so your utilities, your bills, if you have a car, your car payments, if you are using that car to go from place to place, then your gas usage, anything that is necessary for you to support the life that you currently live. Also keep in mind that your minimum monthly payments on your debts are also included in this because it's a bill that you have to pay. Now the next bucket is 20%, and that's your fun money. So this is where you spend your money on how you see fit, whether that be concerts, buying books, going and having coffee every day, going out for drinks, whatever that makes you feel happy, doing your nails, getting special types of clothes, like whatever, power to you. It's whatever you want to spend your money that gives you some sense of pleasure. And then the last thing is 10%, which goes into saving, investing, and debt repayment. So this is any debt payments that are extra on top of your minimum payment. 10% might seem low, but for those who have high income, 10% might be more than enough. So again, this is similar to the 50-30-20 method, just the allocation numbers changed a little bit. But as always, it is personal finance, so tweak it to whatever helps you. This is just a guideline, so you can change your numbers anyway. You can change your buckets however they mean for you. This is just one methodology to have only 3 categories, so you don't have to track everything individually. Some other popular tweaks that I've seen is money that is no longer spent on extra debt payments get moved either into investing or into fun money, which for some people your debt payments might actually be a good chunk of change, and so enjoy it. Another tweak that I often see is people who have excess funds in either of their categories roll it over. So for example, if you end up not paying as much for your utilities in 1 month, then you take that rollover and you pull it into savings or something else. As always, I'm more than happy to help you with any questions. Feel free to leave a comment below, and if it's something I can make a video on, I will be more than happy to do so. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have a friend who you think might not know everything about personal finance, please send them this way. And as always, I hope you have a great one. Bye!